All right, starting February off with a bang here. First winter storm we've seen since the beginning of January. Troubling trend here with storm systems about a month apart here, and hopefully we can get away from that as we make our way through this month. 30 degrees, the high temperature, which actually happened at midnight last night. The cold front came through, and it's just been getting colder and colder ever since. And the low temperature, which isn't set in stone yet because we're just getting colder, and the official low temperature will end up being what happens here as we make our way through the evening. 21/100ths of an inch of precipitation only today. It was a half of an inch yesterday of water. All in all, 7/10ths of an inch of moisture out of this storm system, which isn't too shabby. And we just looked at these snow totals earlier. If you missed it, officially out at Flagstaff Pulliam Airport, 9.2. That's going to go up. It's snowing outside pretty good right now in Flagstaff, and on down the line, 7 to 8 inches around Flagstaff, and down Donny Park 4 inches, and around Yavapai County just several inches of snow. And that's kind of the way it was out on the reservation as well. How about that thunder snow late last night when that storm system was rolling in? It's kind of unusual, not completely unheard of around here. And what we had happen is a very strong cold front, a cold wedge of air moving in, and we had all that warm air out ahead of it, yet shoved up. And what you need to get a thunderstorm is some strong vertical mixing with the air. And when you get a big wedge of cold air pushing in, right, like we did last night with that warm air that was already in place, you can get some kind of grapple and ice crystals inside the cloud, and they start to rub together, and that's what gets the static electricity going, lightning, thunder. Okay, here's a look at the storm system right now. The bulk of it's out of the state. We still have some snow showers to go, mainly from Flagstaff down along the Mogollon Rim into the White Mountains through the evening before the storm system clears the state as we get towards tomorrow morning. Currently outside, it's 23 degrees, and it's going to keep getting colder. Light snow out there. We're in for a cold night overnight tonight, going down to 3 degrees, even with some cloudy conditions. Evening flurries end after midnight. We're looking for very little in the way of additional accumulation. All right, we're going to be chilly and dry around here through the remainder of the week. High temperature tomorrow, 28 degrees, sunrise at 7:25 statewide. Cold temperatures tonight, and a chilly day out there tomorrow. 1737 Sedona, 1838 Prescott, Winslow, down to 21 tonight and 39 degrees for a high temperature tomorrow. And we're going to be even colder as far as overnight low tomorrow. Really frigid temperatures across the region. -2 out there tomorrow night. It's always the second day behind the storm that's usually the coldest, and temperatures for the most part during the daytime in the 30s. All right, stick around. More NAZ Today coming up.